MLA 8th edition overview, and come on, let's go into the
Every
video.
single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
In this video, we'll introduce the MLA citation style 8th edition. This style is used in many subject areas at the university level. It is especially popular in the arts. The MLA style has two parts. Intake citation, which is where you cite your source in the body of your essay, and the final work citer page, which is the last page or the pages of your essay. This is where you provide full bibliographic details. What is unique to the current edition of the MLA style guide is that no matter what type of source you are citing, the order of the information is always the same. It doesn't matter if you cited a book review, a YouTube video, or some new kind of source never documented before. As long as you know the basic principles, you can cite it. Let's take the following two examples. The first one is a book, and the second one is an article. Both are formatted using something called the container model. Here is how it works. Let's start with the article. The first part of every entry are the author and the title. Each of these ends with a period. Next, the container gives us extra information about our source. So for a book, it's customary to give an at least the publisher on the date of the publication. You will notice that any item in the container are separated by commas. At the end of a container, we place a period, which means that we replace the comma after the final information in our container with a period. Now, this is a very simple entry, but in other citations, we can fill in one more information. For instance, we might add an editor version. This is a lot of flexibility with the current MLA rules. Next, even though our articles is a different type of source, we use the same container system. We add our author and the title, and then we'll fill the information for the container. As you can see, the article is literally contained in a journal or periodical. However, this container is itself contained inside a larger unit, a database. So, this time we need a second container where we add the name of the database and the location. In this case, a persistent URL. And that's how the container system works. What's great about the system is that entries have a lot in common with each other. However, this system also presents us with a challenge. Most students just want to know how to cite a specific source. But when you open the MLA handbook, you won't easily find the sample entries for each kind of publication. Instead, you'll have to figure out each part of the container by itself. That's why on our website, we have organized the information in two ways. We have separate pages for the parts of each entry, the author, title, and container. But we also have pages on specific kinds of sources, articles, books, and electronic sources, and so on. This creates a lot of overlap, but that's inevitable. So that's the MLA container system. And with a bit of practice, you'll master it no time. Thanks for watching.